with Ishu. Let's play What's Missing? What's missing? Banana. What's missing? It's circle. What's missing? It's parrot. What's missing? It's butterfly. What's missing? It's red.
What's missing?
It's book. What's missing? It's crab. It's crab. What's missing? It's teddy bear. What's missing? It's pizza. What's missing? It's bus. What's missing? It's shoes. What's missing? It's eyes. What's missing? It's rainbow. Yay! You did it! See you next time!
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Learn with Ishu.